Hello, my name's Gage, and I'm going to be talking about the giant and colossal squid, and I'm also going to be giving you the differences and similarities between the two. So let's get started. Okay, so what is the giant squid exactly? The giant squid is also known as the Archethius dux. It's a member of the genus Archethii, and it can reach up to 43 feet in length as well. So already they're pretty large creatures, obviously, so that means they weigh a lot, and they do. They weigh up to 2,000 pounds, and they consist of a head, a body, 8 arms, and as well as 2 feeding tentacles. So the body. The mantle or the body contains all their essential organs, and it also contains their very large eyes. Their eyes are a very good adaptation because it helps them see in the dark, basically. So their feeding tentacles bring their food to their mouth or their beak, which is also very important, and their stabilizing fins help them balance and steer. The underside of the body is called a siphon. It helps them exhale, get rid of waste, lay eggs, squirt ink at prey. Just a bunch of important things. So feeding and reproduction. The giant squid uses their feeding tentacles to latch on to prey from long distances. They catch their prey with their suckers on their arms and they bring it to their beak. So inside their beak, they have a radula, which is basically like a tongue, which further breaks down the food. So the males fertilize the eggs and the females lay them in the water. So predators. The only known predator is the sperm whale. We know this because lots of sperm whales have washed up along this ocean, and we have cut them open and basically seen giant pieces of giant squid inside their stomachs. They also have sucker marks from their giant squid on their skin as well. So where are they located exactly? So their habitat and range, giant squids are found all around the world basically, but they're mostly around continental and island slopes. They are rarely found in the polar environments, and they are recorded between 1,000 and 2,000 feet in depth, although they have been up to depths as deep as 3,800 feet. So the colossal squid. What is the colossal squid? The colossal squid is also known as Mesochathius hamiltoni, which is a member of the genus Mesoncholithus. It is larger than the giant squid, much larger and fatter, and it's the largest cephalopod and mollusk on the planet. So how much does it measure basically? So the colossal squid measures up to 14 feet with a mantle of 2 to 4 feet, and they have the largest eyes out of any other organism on this planet, and as well as the largest squid species in the world. So they have very similar bodies and body shapes to the giant squid. They have a fin, a mantle, arms, and tentacles. They're a lot bigger and have a heavier body. Although they do have shorter arms, as you can see in the diagram. One feature that is unique about the giant squid is it has hooks on the end of its clubs, which allow it to catch large fish, which the giant squid does not have. So the colossal squid live in the polar regions that the giant squid do not like to go to, and they live very deep, which makes it hard for scientists to do research on them. They have been found near Antarctica, New Zealand, and even parts of Africa as well. So feeding and reproduction. Due to their big size, colossal squids eat a variety of fish, and because of the depth, colossal squid reproduction is not very observed, and we don't know how they reproduce, but we do know the males do have a penis. So predators. Like the giant squid, the only known predators are the sperm whales, and we also know this because of pieces of colossal squid in the stomachs of the sperm whales. So what's the difference between the two? The colossal squids are much larger, and unlike the giant squids, they're only found in the polar regions, while giant squids are basically worldwide. They are also larger, so they eat bigger fish.